Alright everybody, how y'all doing, and welcome back to my channel. Here I am for to unbox the Apevia 512L CBL case fans. You get 5 in a pack. They're blue because the blue level is right there. Now one thing about Apevia should know better than this. And I get on all manufacturers about this here. No product presentation. It's just a simple black plain box. Yes, a blank plain box. And to all manufacturers, let's stop doing this here. Because you don't know what you're getting in the box. You don't see the design of the product, what they look like or anything. So in the near future, Apevia, please make sure y'all put a picture of your product on the box for a good presentation. Alrighty, the case fans are blue. You get 5 in a pack. The model number of them is 512 LCBL. My autofocus is out of range right now, so y'all excuse that there. So let's go ahead and unbox them and get right into it. Now, these fans will be replacing my Cool Moon RGB fans in the case. Just like I said, they will be replacing them. So I don't need to take them all out. I'm just going to take one out and go over it right now. Good quality. I already have the dampers already pre-installed. Good quality. You get 7 fan blades. Good quality. You can't go wrong with that. Good quality. So now, let's get into the specifications. These fans are 1350 RPM. Air power is 12 VDC. Noise level is 24.7 dBA. Voltage range from 9 VDC to 13.5 VDC. Rated voltage is 12 VDC. Airflow is 57.67 CFM. Static air pressure is 0.96 millimeters H2O. Connector, as you see here, you have your 3-pin, and if you don't want a 3-pin, you have your 4-pin Molex. Now, if you're not crazy about the Molex, you could go ahead and cut it off. And if you're going to use the 3-pin, please make sure you pick you up a fan controller. Here I have my Thermalright 10 hub fan controller. Yes, it's 10 ports, and it supports PWM fans as well too. Model number of this fan controller is TL fan hub controller REV.8. Specifications: power input SATA, rated current 1 amp max per port. Port 4-pin PWM. Working temperature from 0 Celsius to 75 Celsius. It comes with a product warranty. Now, if you want to get to know more about Thermalright, you can go ahead and scan the QR scan code that's located on the product. Alrighty. Now, some of y'all probably reason why y'all want to know is why I'm switching from my Cool Moon RGB to these fans here. I'm gonna go ahead on and get right into it. So let's go ahead on and go into the reason of why I'm switching from the RGB to just the regular blue Durings Apevia 120mm case fans. Alright everybody, and we back. Now the main reason why I'm switching. Now I was thinking about putting these, buying some Apevias, taking the 200mm fan out by Cool Moon, and keeping everything the same. Now, I did recently explain that I am getting sick of the RGB. I mean, I tried it. Gamers Universe made it so overrated. So I just say, you know what? Let me go ahead and see the feel of it. Now, I can have it, my Cool Moons, in rainbow, whatever mode I'm in 60 seconds, I go back to this blue. This is the mode that I have it in on my RGB fans. It's in blue. Just like I said, I can have it In this mode, you know, I could go ahead and have it in green. Whenever I get a chance, it goes back to blue. As y'all notice, blue is my favorite color. That's all I rock with is blue. I don't do nothing else. Is blue. And this is the main reason why I am changing them. Now, on this side over here, you see the red fan over here. Now, my entertainment rig in the room has a fan like this and it's blue. As you can see, the different similarity of them. They're different. Here, you got your LEDs on the corners, which there sucks. It don't light the whole fan blade up, and it sucks. Now, the Roswell fan here will be teaming up with the Apevia. Now, both of them have 32 LED lights into them. What makes them different is the design of the fan plastic. But if you went ahead on it and made the fan plastic similar to like the Apevia for Roswell, it's the same. Roswell is 1500 RPM. Apevia is 1350 RPM. And my Cool Moon is 1250 RPM. And of course, this fan by DIY PC, because this is their fan here, it's 1150 RPM. I know because I looked all the fan specs up. Now, the main reason, just like I said, I'm changing it because I could be doing this in 60 seconds, and after 60 seconds, back to blue. Or I could be in red for 60 seconds, back to blue. I could be in light blue for 60 seconds, back to royal blue. Royal blue is my favorite color, and just like I said, if I'm not using the aesthetics of the RGB controller, then I don't need to be having them in my system. Now, this here Cool Moon will be replacing the blue LED just like this here in the room. My entertainment rig in the room. So my wife likes to go ahead on and watch TV on it. So, and she likes to go ahead on and have her own little color mode going on. Sometimes she like purple. She could go ahead on and put it in purple, you know, which that's their purple, which sucks. And that's pink. So, you know, or she could just say, hey, let me go to light green, because she do likes green. But my wife, sometimes she do the RGB. My wife sometimes don't do the RGB. And when she playing her Sims, she'll go ahead and put the music on. She'll go ahead and put the RGB lights on the TV that she got hooked up on the TV. And she just be vibing and chillaxing doing her thing. So this is the main reason why I am switching out my Cool Moons to my Apevias. And I'm switching them with not maxing, but I am teaming them up with Roswell as well, because both of these fans has 32 LED lights, 16 up front, 16 in the back. That's why they dual rings, and they pretty much match next to next, so you cannot really go wrong with that there. So just like I said, I'm in this color here in 60 seconds, blue. This is what I rock all day, every day, 365 days out the year. I'm pushing blue, and I can't help that. I love blue. Blue is my favorite color. I'll be putting the definition of blue. If you don't know what the blue means in personality, life, etc., etc., I'll be putting the definition of the color blue. Some understand blue, some don't understand blue. So that's the main reason why I'm switching out my fans, going to Apevia fans, mixing them with the Roswell, because the S100 by Thermaltake holds 8 120 fans in there. So I'm putting 8 fans in there. I will be putting them in today. I'm not going to be doing no video of it. So that concludes this unboxing of the RGB fans and the LED fans, of why I am switching to Roswell and my people. They're going to be teaming up together. I'm going to go ahead and be running it where y'all can't much tell the difference. So, but I'm not going to be doing the installation video of them. I'm going to go ahead and install them in today, so I can get that out the way. And I can just go ahead and be up and running and be happy. I want to thank y'all for watching this unboxing of the Apevia fans LED blue 5-pack. And I cannot go wrong with that. I'll see y'all in the next unboxing. Peace. Alright everybody, as you see, the final presentation. She looks nice. after I took out my Cool Moon fans, you know, having the 200 millimeter up top, one Cool Moon in the back, 120 millimeter, and then I had two Cool Moons up front with three regular 120 millimeter fans to the bottom. I said, you know what? Let me go ahead and fix this. Just like I said, I felt out the RGB fill. So I'm pretty much not feeling it. I explained to y'all in the video of like I can have it in rainbow, I can have it in breathe, whatever mode I'm in 60 seconds, I'm back to here. So with the up here's to the bottom and my Apevias running clean, they both dual fans, so it's pretty much about the same because there's 16 LEDs on both sides, which is 32 LEDs in both the fans, but it's not bad. She's looking real nice. I have my up here NSC30 black sleeve cables in. I decided to change my GPU out. So like I said, I put on my content in 1080p. This is not a gaming rig, so let me bring that out to you. This is my editing and my business center rig here. This my office clerical rig. Now, you can make this core, 6 cores, 12 threads, a gaming rig. I'll be putting an alternative in the description below if you want to go ahead and purchase those parts and do something similar to this if you're not into the RGB mode like I am. You know, Gamers Universe made the RGB feel so overrated, and the more I see it in videos, the more I'm beginning not to like it. So now in 2000, I did fall in love with the blue LED fans. I love blue. Blue is my color. If y'all don't know the definition of blue, I'll be putting that in the description below as well too. So y'all can click on it, understand the color mode, so of what each color means and why y'all use it. But other than that, she's nice. The only different thing that I somewhat, it's not really bothering me, but to some of y'all might say it might be a little bother to you, is the different design styles of the fans. As you know, these are the up here to the bottom. Now these fans came out my Spectra C100 Rosewood case, so I used them about 2 months, and then I went to the RGB field. So I said, let me go ahead and try the RGB. After 2 years down the line, I felt out of RGB. It just overrated, and it's just something I'm just not into. I'm into simple plain colors. This is nice. It's wonderful, and I cannot go wrong with it. So I want to thank y'all for watching. If you like the video, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel. If you need your PC cleaned, or if you need me to install anything for you, go ahead on in. Click on the email address, send me an email, and I'll respond to you right away with your phone number and everything into it. So for any business inquiries, just go ahead on in, put all your information into an email, and I'll get back with you. Other than that, thank y'all for watching, and I'll see y'all in the next one.